So hey guys, as we all know, after the partnership of OPPO with OnePlus, the two companies now share the same tech and software, which many people are unhappy about because OPPO has messed with the original Oxygen OS and turned it into Color OS. Now after software, OPPO is focusing on the OnePlus device, which is the first foldable phone from the company. Recently we got the hands-on video of the OnePlus OPEN, which is the early version of the upcoming device, showing off their new foldable hinge design and gapless look. Now as per a new report, the OnePlus OPEN, the company's first foldable, is a rebranded OPPO Find N3 for the global market. Yes, OnePlus confirmed this while also revealing that OnePlus co-founder and OPPO Chief Product Officer Mr. P.T. Law directed teams at both companies to work on the foldable phone in tandem with an aim to launch it under both brands in different markets. This means the OnePlus OPEN and OPPO Find N3 are the same phones but with different names and different markets. In an email to The Verge, OnePlus finally addressed the fact that it and its sister company OPPO are launching the same foldable device under different names. Although not specified, the OPPO Find N3 is believed to stay exclusive to the Chinese market while the OnePlus OPEN could be released in international market. It is logical to not release the same device for other markets in order to maintain the novelty of the product. Finally, there is some light on the launch date of the OnePlus OPEN. Yes, according to the tipster Max Jamberg, the first foldable phone from OnePlus will debut on October 19th. Initially, the launch of the OnePlus OPEN was anticipated to take place at the end of August. However, the event was later postponed due to problems with the BOE display and switching to Samsung plans. It looks like the OnePlus OPEN will be better than the Galaxy Z Fold 5 in all key specs, such as display, camera, design and durability. OnePlus has focused on all important elements that make a foldable phone better and easy to use. So what do you think about this OnePlus OPEN? Let me know in the comment section below. With that said, subscribe if you like and I will see you in the next one.